Right guys, easiest way to make pancakes. You need a mixing bowl, you need a whisk, you need a ladle, you need 300 milliliters of cold milk, you need some normal flour, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of sunflower oil. For the cooking, you're going to need a frying pan, a spatula and a knob of butter. Pour all of your ingredients into the mixing bowl, doesn't matter what order, and then from there whisk it up into a smooth batter. Grab your saucepan, stick it on the hob, add your knob of butter, and what we really want here is for the pan to be hot. We need to melt that butter and spread it around the pan. So when the mixture goes in, it's piping hot. Add and evenly spread your mixture around the frying pan. Use your spatula to gently pull in the outside of the pancake to stop it sticking. Once you've cooked your mixture for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, you're ready to flip it. Now, if we're being honest, this part is make or break, but with a bit of practice, it's easy, no problem. So it might take you 2 or 3 tries to get it perfect. Cook again on a high heat for a minute or 2, and then you're ready to serve your pancake. And there it is, a perfect pancake. So easy, no problem. Thanks guys.